In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using Prestashop 2025. Let's dive right in and start building your online presence. First, open your web browser and search for Prestashop on Google. Upon landing on the search results page, click on the link titled Prestashop, create an online shop easily, e-commerce. This will take you directly to the Prestashop homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a button labeled Get Started. Clicking this is your first step towards setting up your new online store. After clicking Get Started, you'll be directed to a page where you can explore various offers. Here, you'll see options labeled Classic, Hosted, and Enterprise. Each of these has its own distinct features tailored to different needs and business sizes. If you choose the Classic option, you'll need to install Prestashop on your computer. To do this, simply click on the download button available on the page. Don't worry about the setup process. Prestashop provides a comprehensive step-by-step guide to help you through the entire installation process. On the other hand, if you're interested in the hosted option, you'll find a start free trial option that you can click on. This is an excellent choice if you want to quickly test out Prestashop's capabilities without committing right away. Here you'll be prompted to create a Prestashop account, which can be done easily by entering your email address or by signing up using your Google account. For the quickest route, you can simply click Create an account with Google. Once your account is ready, Prestashop will seamlessly guide you through creating your store. For those of you managing a larger, more complex business, the enterprise option may be the perfect fit. This plan is designed with enhanced security, customization options, and high-performance hosting in mind. It's specifically tailored for established businesses that require a robust, scalable, and feature-rich e-commerce solution. Once you've set up your Prestashop store, click on View My Store to see what your customers will experience. This will redirect you to your store's live website. Now, if you'd like to make any changes or customization to your store, you can easily do so by accessing the back office of your store. Here you have the freedom to explore a variety of customization and configuration options to make your store truly unique and aligned with your brand. That's it, you've now got your Prestashop store up and running. Feel free to experiment with different features and make it your own. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're as excited as I am to see your online business thrive with Prestashop 2025.